place that you kind of feel spiritually and it improves your well-being. That's what we describe. But it also has the more physical aspect where you can zip line, rappel, jump off cliffs, and together those two different aspects form a really unique environment that Yokdzonot has. So we're trying to embody that spirit or that vision of what Yokdzonot can be through our website, and we're trying to teach and train the workers at Yokdzonot to be able to use the website and the knowledge that we provide them to help them grow and achieve this vision and becoming more than what they are now. So when we get there to present, we kind of structured our presentation in 3 parts. Julian, our assistant maestro for our project, will introduce the concept of the branding and the marketing and the importance of establishing that brand so that the people at Yokdzonot know what it is that we're actually doing. And he's able to clearly communicate our goals and our objectives in the sense of our concept, what we're doing conceptually. And after he kind of explains that to the comparativa, me and Helen are going to describe the actual product or the website itself and how we came to making each decision for our individual pages. So I designed the homepage, contact us page, reviews, and Helen designed the attractions and services page. So I'll let her talk a little bit about her part of the project.
Yeah, so we all thought that it was pretty important to have the description for the services and attractions along with all the other tabs to kind of all include the concept of the Yokdzonot cenote as a wellness resource and as an eco-adventure touristic park. So we tried to make the description of all the activities and all the services and attractions that they have to kind of embody those words that we used for our big concept. So that's what we use. We have the big concept, and then along with that we have all these other tabs in the website, and then along with those tabs we have the descriptions that all have to combine with each other. They all have to be the same type of information and description, and basically that's what I did. We picked all the services and attractions that they have right now and tried to frame it in a way that they do have those services, but at the same time we're trying to also show how the wellness resource part of the concept also works with the services and attractions that they already have. So for example, if we're talking about the cenote, we kind of try to make it seem like how we see it to be, which is a very unique experience that embodies the combination of the cenote and the person that's visiting the cenote, and how it rejuvenates you basically, and so along with that there's the other services and attractions that we chose that they told us that they have, but since this is a work in process, we are going to ask them, tell them what we have right now and see if they like it, and if they have any comments about it. If they don't like some things, then we can change it. Basically that's all we have.
Sounds great.
Another important aspect that as a class, and especially as a group, that we're trying to bring to the table is that we're not just trying to give them this website and leave and be done. We're trying to empower them in a way, give them knowledge and train them to use these tools and the knowledge that we give them, so that after we're gone, or that if they don't have help or someone in the ear, that they're able to work towards becoming this ecotouristic, adventurous, well-being center instead of just a cenote. It has the potential to grow into something else, and we're here just to help them realize that potential, not necessarily just make them a website. And that's an important concept of what we're doing back here.
Yeah, that's basically part of our service learning project. Like, we're not just doing a product, we are trying to do the product and at the same time teach them how to use the product that we've made, so that when we leave they can reuse it and they can understand how tourists see their organization, their cooperative, instead of them just thinking about how they think the cenote looks like. So a little bit of both. We are trying to kind of unite with how they see the cenote and how we see the cenote, and how it just all works together, and then teach them how we see the cenote
good. Sounds really exciting.
It's been a blast working with them, and the Cenote is one of the coolest places I've ever been. I'm gonna miss it. Of course.
All right, well, let's get going.
Let's do it.
Woohoo!